All right, guys, so I'm just going to pick up where we left off in class. And so you should already have these completed. And so we're going to look at g of 0. So g of 0, that means we're going to put 0 in place of x. So it's going to be 0 plus 1, which is 1. Okay. For this next one, we have f of 2 plus g of 1. So we're going to have to do two different ones and then add them together. So f of 2 is going to be, I'm going to put brackets around it, is going to be 2 squared plus 3. So that's my f of 2. Plus g of 1 is going to be 1 plus 1. So 2 squared will give me 4 plus 3 plus 1 is 2. So if I add all that together, that's 7 plus 2, that is 9. Okay? So for this next one, we have g of negative 1 plus f of 1. So g of negative 1 means in that second equation, that x plus 1, okay, that's what this one was an x plus 1. This was x squared plus 3. So in x plus 1, I'm going to put a negative 1, so I'm going to have negative 1 plus 1. Plus, for f of 1, we're going to have 1 squared plus 3. So negative 1 plus 1 is 0, plus 1 squared is 1, plus 3 is, so 3. So I have 0 plus 1 plus 3, which is 4. So that takes it for all of those. Okay. Now, on the other side, on this function machine, we have negative 3x plus 1 for this one. And so that means we're going to put in a 3. So 3 is what we're putting in, and then we have negative 3 times 3 plus 1. And so if I have, so f of 3 is negative 3 times 3 plus 1. So that gives me negative 9 plus 1. And negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8. So negative 8 is my output. So that's what I get there. And this last one says which expression, or if f of x is equal to 2x minus 5, which expression represents f of x plus 1? So remember, whatever is in right here, whatever is in the parentheses right there, that's what goes in place of x everywhere over here. Okay, so what I'm going to have is f of x plus 1 is going to be 2 times whatever that x is, okay, and then the minus 5. And so my x is x plus 1 in this case. So now I have to use the distributive property. So I will have 2 times x plus 2 times 1. Don't forget your hoppity. So 2 times 1, and then my minus 5. So that will give me 2 times x plus 2 minus 5, and then I have like terms. I have the plus 2 and the minus 5 are like terms, and so they could be put together, and then but the 2x will stay the same. Oh, that went in a different color. So the 2x, and then I have 2 minus 5 makes that a negative 3, so I get 2x minus 3, which is a. All right, so that should be it. I hope that didn't get too muffled. I noticed I covered the mic. Hope I wasn't too bad. But that is it for that sheet. And then when you come to class tomorrow, we'll have kind of a little bell work over this. And then we have a game we're going to play. Okay? And then test on Friday. All right? So have a good evening.